Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to export your posts from Kontentino. In case you'd like to make a list of your posts and copies, you can export them by going to the top right-hand side of your calendar and clicking the three dots icon. Now, select the Export Posts option. There, choose to export the posts into either a PDF or CSV. You can also export only text or only images. The PDF file shows chronologically each post of the selected profile with a date and time of scheduling. Moreover, it contains all post details, such as media, text, first comment, labels, and link description. You also have the option to download only the text as well as the images in a zipped file. So even if your clients are used to PDF files or spreadsheets, Kontentino offers a nice substitute. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.